Hi all, and welcome to the next episode of unboxing embedded and IoT hardware. Today we have here IoT gateway from HP Enterprise, so let's get on to it. As you can see, it's come with pretty basic box, basic brown box, and when we open the box, the first you see here is the short manual, just short warranty description. Then you have this additional accessory box. Let's put it here for a moment, and then last but not the least, the actual gateway. So let's put this box here and let's put the gateway. Let's put the gateway here and let's see first what we have inside of this accessory box. So opening this accessory box, first we found here the AC adapter with the lockable plug, and on the other side the standard plug for AC cord. Then we have AC cord for European area, for US, for Canada, and for China. So basically for all market areas. Then in these small bags we have some accessories for mounting the gateway. For example, here we have wall mounting brackets for the gateway, and here we have another type of wall mounting brackets. This another small bag. There you go. And then in the third bag, let's see what we have here. Here we have also another mounting for for the DIN rail. So quite a lot of accessories, especially for mounting, for power supply. Now we can take a look at the actual gateway. So it's actually quite compact, quite nice gateway. It's with Intel Atom CPU. There's 2 Ethernet ports, 2 USB ports, microphone and audio output. Then there's a power button and power LEDs. And on the other side we have here display, VGA, HDMI, another USB, another full-size HDMI, serial port, and DC, power DC in port. On the side we have a connector for Wi-Fi antenna and for 3G LTE, and same on the other side, so there's a support for dual antennas here. And at the bottom there's also mounting points for the SSD drive inside of this gateway. Okay, that's all for this time. Thank you guys, and see you again next time. Bye bye.